User-defined functions in SQL. SQL Server user-defined functions are routines that accept parameters, perform an action such as complex calculation, and return the result of that action as a value. The return value can either be a single scalar value or a result set. These functions are created by the user in the system database or in a user-defined database. User-defined functions help in you simplify your development by encapsulating complex business logic and make them available for your reuse in every query. User-defined function can be used in scripts, stored procedures, triggers, and other user-defined functions within a database. Advantages of user-defined function. 1. Create function once and call it n number of times. Second, no need writing the same logic multiple times. 3. Reduces the network traffic. 4. Reduce the compilation cost and time of TSQL code by caching plans and reusing UDFs them for repeated execution. 5. We can understand and debug the query quicker and better because we can separate complicated calculation in user-defined function. 6. You can modify the UDF independent of the source code. Different types of user-defined function. 1. Scalar user-defined function SFS returns a single scalar data value of the type defined in the returns clause. 2. Table valued user defined function TVFS return a table data type that can read from in the same way as you would use a table. Inline table valued functions ITVFS have no function body. The scalar value that is returned is the result of a single statement without a begin end block. Multi-statement table valued functions MTVFS. Multi-statement UDFs can contain any number of statements that populate the table variable to be returned. This is introduction of user-defined function in SQL Server. In next videos, we will see all types of user-defined function step by step.